Did you know that the secret to burning fat might already be in your kitchen? Imagine shedding pounds while enjoying delicious foods. Stick around because today, we're revealing the top fat-burning foods you need to know about. Plus, we've got practical tips, fun facts, and a surprise food at the end that'll blow your mind. Can you guess what it is? Let's dive in. 1. Cinnamon, the sweet fat burner. Let's kick things off with cinnamon, a spice that doesn't just add flavor to your meals but also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This can prevent insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Did you know cinnamon was once more valuable than gold? Talk about a golden opportunity to burn fat. Sprinkle a little cinnamon in your morning coffee or oatmeal for a delicious metabolism boost. How do you usually use cinnamon in your meals? Let us know in the comments below. Up next is a vibrant food that'll brighten your plate in your fat-burning journey. Stay tuned. 2. Spinach, the leafy green powerhouse. Spinach is low in calories but packed with nutrients like iron and fiber that keep you full longer. It's a must-have for anyone looking to shed pounds. Popeye wasn't wrong about spinach, it's a superfood that strengthens muscles and burns fat. Blend spinach into a smoothie with banana and almond milk for a quick, fat-burning snack. Are you team raw spinach salad or cooked spinach dishes? Tell us in the comments. Coming up, we'll reveal a tiny seed with enormous fat-burning potential. Don't miss it. 3. Mustard seeds, the tiny metabolism booster. These small seeds can ignite your metabolism, helping you burn calories faster. Just 1 teaspoon can make a big difference. Mustard seeds have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years to improve digestion and overall health. Add mustard seeds to your stir-fries or salad dressings for a subtle kick in fat-burning power. Have you ever tried cooking with mustard seeds? What's your favorite recipe? 4. Berries, nature's candy. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce belly fat. Blueberries were once called star berries by Native Americans because of their star-shaped blossom. Toss a handful of berries into your yogurt or cereal for a refreshing, fat-burning snack. What's your favorite type of berry? Share it with us below. We're getting closer to the surprise food at the end. Next up is a popular veggie with incredible fat-burning benefits. 5. Sweet potatoes, the healthy carb. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber and low on the glycemic index, making them a perfect choice for sustained energy and fat burning. The bright orange color of sweet potatoes comes from beta-carotene, which also supports healthy skin. Swap out regular fries for baked sweet potato wedges with a sprinkle of paprika. Have you tried sweet potatoes as a snack or dessert? Let us know how you enjoy them. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, our surprise fat-burning food. Can you guess what it is? 6. Cayenne pepper, the spicy metabolism booster. This fiery spice can increase your body temperature, leading to more calories burned through a process called thermogenesis. Cayenne pepper has been a staple in both Mexican and Indian cuisines for centuries. Add a pinch of cayenne to soups or scrambled eggs for an extra kick. Do you like spicy food? How do you use cayenne pepper in your recipes? 7. Eggs, protein powerhouse. Eggs are loaded with high-quality protein that keeps you full longer and boosts your metabolism through a process called thermogenesis. Eggs are one of the few foods that naturally contain vitamin D. Start your day with a boiled egg or an omelette packed with veggies for a metabolism boost. What's your favorite way to cook eggs? Share it below. 8. Greek yogurt, the gut health champion. Rich in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports digestion and helps reduce belly fat. Greek yogurt has double the protein and half the carbs of regular yogurt. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt to your smoothies or enjoy it with some berries and nuts. Do you prefer plain Greek yogurt or flavored ones? Tell us in the comments. Next, let's uncover a tropical fruit that doubles as a fat-burning superstar. 9. Avocado, the good fat hero. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that reduce belly fat and keep you feeling satisfied. Avocados are technically a berry. Use avocado as a spread on toast or add slices to your salads for a creamy, nutritious boost. Have you tried avocado toast? What's your favorite topping? Don't go anywhere, coming up is a beverage you should sip on to shed those extra pounds. 10. Green tea, the metabolism booster. Green tea is rich in antioxidants like EGCG, which can increase fat burning and improve exercise performance. Green tea has been used in traditional medicine for over 4,000 years. Swap sugary drinks for a cup of green tea with a dash of lemon. How do you like your green tea, plain or with a twist of flavor? 11. Almonds, the crunchy superfood. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a perfect snack to keep hunger at bay. A handful of almonds a day can help reduce belly fat and cholesterol levels. Carry a small pack of almonds for a quick and healthy on-the-go snack. Do you prefer almonds roasted, raw, or spiced? 12. Dark chocolate, the guilt-free treat. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation, can reduce sugar cravings and boost fat metabolism. The flavonoids in dark chocolate help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to burn fat. Eat a small piece of dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa as a post-meal treat. 13. Oats, the energy booster. Oats are a complex carbohydrate that provides sustained energy while keeping you full. They're also rich in beta-glucan, a type of fiber that helps reduce belly fat. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts. 14. Apples, the fiber-rich snack. Apples are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that promotes fat loss by keeping you full and aiding digestion. Their natural sweetness can curb sugar cravings. Enjoy them fresh, baked, or as part of a healthy salad. There you have it, 14 incredible fat-burning foods that are as tasty as they are effective. Now it's your turn. Which one will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more amazing health tips. Together, let's make healthy living fun and delicious.